love can, yes I do. I love can, how about you?
Hi boys and girls, I'm Teacher Aaron from Can English. Welcome to my LLI lesson. Today our story is birds. Boys and girls, look at the picture. What can you see? Yes, I can see birds. What color are the birds? Yes, that's right. The birds are pink and a little red. Those are flamingos. Flamingos are pink. Birds. This bird is flying. Boys and girls, what bird is this? This is an eagle. E-A-G-L-E. An eagle. This bird is swimming. Friends, what bird is this? This is a penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. A penguin. This bird is drinking. Boys and girls, what bird is this? Yes, very good. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, a duck. This bird is eating. Boys and girls, what is the bird eating? Yes, very good. The bird is eating a fish, a little fish. This bird is walking. Boys and girls, can the bird walk fast or slow? I think the bird can walk fast, but I don't know. This bird is running. Boys and girls, can this bird run fast? Yes, it can. This bird can run very fast. This bird is sleeping. Boys and girls, what bird is this? This is an owl. O-W-L. An owl. This bird is talking. Hello. Boys and girls, what bird is this? Yes, that's right. This is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. This is a parrot. Boys and girls, do you like birds? I do. I think birds are cool. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.
I love can, yes I do. I love can, how about you?